Hi everyone. I'm so sorry that it's been so long since I've gotten out a video. Between the garden, canning and preserving, and a kitchen remodel over this summer, it has been crazy busy, just like most of the rest of you have been dealing with too, I'm sure. But I'm going to try to give you a little bit of an update and hurry and get this out to you. So I'm going to backtrack a little. When we began thinking about doing a kitchen remodel, which to be honest was pretty much as soon as we moved into our house, so 9.5 years ago, we quickly decided that we were not going to purchase hardwood floors or cabinets from a local big box store. They just, we felt, weren't going to be durable enough if purchased from there to hold up to our large family. So we started digging around and we found a local man, Mike, who builds cabinets. And after talking with him, he was able to point us in the direction of a place where we could purchase some wood that could then be milled into the pieces that we needed. We decided to purchase hickory because it was very durable and it had a nice rustic look to it. So back in January, we went and picked up all the wood that we needed and brought it back to Mike's workshop. There at his workshop, it was taken and milled into tongue and groove flooring and planed pieces for to build the cabinets. So Mike's been working on this for months, and you can see here in the video him running boards of wood through the sanders, and that took a lot of his time, but it's been well worth it in the end. Here we are with our newly purchased wood, getting ready to unload it at Mike's workshop. Here's Mike running boards through the sander over and over again. Can you imagine doing both sides of 2,200 square feet worth of boards through the sander? Boy, that must get repetitive. I hope he had some good music or podcast or something to listen to. But in the end, we ended up with some beautiful wood, and I really enjoyed watching him do this. Our new range is supposed to be coming today, so I've been getting everything ready, which means we have to get the old range out of here. There's the old range. Look how clean it looks. Still working on the bottom part though. So that's going to be heading out. We're going to be taking that tonight, and we're using that to trade with some friends for some of the work that they've done around here. And we just got the phone call a little bit ago that the new range should be here in about an hour. So we think we're going to bring it in through the front door. The kids came here and got the computer that usually lives here in the hallway out of the way, swept everything up, and we moved the dining room table all the way back so that it will be, it will give us plenty of room to bring the range in here and turn it. There's plenty of room now in the hallway. Stove's here.
That's a big crate.
Something pounds, I can't remember.
That's a big crate.
That is a big crate. Manpower. We have lots of manpower here today. This is only 2 of them. There's at least 3 to 4 more.
Maybe we can make cookies if we set them up.
All right. Alright, now you should be able to get that set down. There we go.
There it goes.
Thank you, sir.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
You sure? All right. Be careful. You
Because
take that.
the big boy has to do this.
This?
Take that and this piece right here. Take that piece right there.
Yeah, especially when it's cast iron.
You're good. Take this.
Here, Matthias can carry those.
Oh yeah, here's how much stickers.
Sorry, I'm putting you to work.
That's what we're here for.
Carry that. Don't break these pieces. Yeah.
Call and inquire about your... I'll do my best.
Alright, so go ahead and take it all off.
But that could just definitely be chicken coop wood if we don't destroy
Hey,
it.
not chicken coop wood.
Why not?
It's really crap
Plywood.
wood.
Careful,
You could put siding on it.
That stuff's no good.
Wow, now we have a really big... What the? What the?
There it is.
Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Might be a driver.
Who's the person not moving?
The manhandle. Alright, take the door off them hinges.
On, off the, get on the cardboard. Get on the cardboard? Not on this side.
I'm good.
Here we go.
Good. We good?
Yep.
High five over him.
Great job, everyone.
Thank you. High five.
Do what?
Good job, guys.
Alright.
Out with the old.
In with the new.
That's right.
Yay! I love this one.
I like this one more.
Which one?
Maybe you can teach me how to make cookies.
Hey, guess
Yes,
what?
we can teach you how to make cookies in it.
This is for grilled cheese. Grilled. What? Grilled cheese. Grilled.
Anna Claire's favorite meal, grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese.
Yep. She knows how to cook them. So tomorrow when we get this all hooked up, she'll be making a grilled cheese.
Cheesy.
Today they are installing the vent hood above the range, so we will finally be able to exhaust all of the heat that we generate and smoke sometimes too out of the house. It's not just one of those recirculate kind of vents so that the air just gets recirculated back into the house. It will be going outside. So they are cutting holes through the brick, installing the ductwork, and hanging the vent hood today. It's going to be going right there. The range, of course, is not quite in its spot, but it's going to be going right there on the wall, and they're outside working on the brick right now. If you need more hands, we've got them.
Hey, please, if somebody can help.
Nathaniel, can you get in there and help them with this?
Yes, sir. Raise that hand up. Ready?
Oh no!
Man.
You want one?
All right, come up with yours. Come on up.
That vent hood was a booger to get installed, but it finally happened and it is up and running. Charlie's cooking up some kale with some onions and some bacon grease. That's going to be so yummy, and all that heat is going right up that vent and outside. Today's a big day around here. Not only do we have a ton of work to get done in the garden,
because it just never ends, of course. But our cabinet man, Mike, is bringing our first round of cabinets and getting them installed today. So Charlie and kids have been in the kitchen and getting everything kind of cleaned up, vacuumed out, all that ready for the cabinets. Did you want to say something?
I need help with something.
What do you need help with?
Bring something out to the shop and give him his medicine.
What do I have to help you bring out to the shop?
The vacuum. I'm just trying to figure out. Like, you can just walk out there with his medicine or something, and the stuff to clean him. Clean his wound.
Injured cat. He's doing better. He's finally outside after a week and a half in the house in his crate. But he's finally doing better, and we still have to clean his wound and give him his medicine.
Saying it when I was saying it. So she likes me better
Any smell?
than you.
I'm not even holding it now.
Right, that's perfect.
Not even touching it.
That's what you want it.
Give you a couple hours.
Wow. Mom. Mama.
I know, isn't it cool?
70, she said?
Up to it, it's got that down right there is where it's going to be
Okay.
as far as that goes. Inch and 7/8 off the range. So we're at an inch right now, it's going to go way over. Okay, I got it. So I'm letting go on the side.
That's it.
There, right there. Give it a bit push now until we get the screw on.
So we like the way this light fixture is staggered over the sink here. And we like the way that light fixture is staggered over the sink there. And now we have to get that one figured out
Make sure Dominic washes his hands.
over the island.
I'm gonna cut them. Are you happy with the heights? Going once,
I think you can, I think they're,
going twice.
I think you can cut them that much and then we can make minor adjustments if we need to. I hope I'm making the right decision.
Oh, there's right there, Ryan. Alright, that's good. Just
And it's done. It looks great.
So this video took us all the way through getting our cabinets installed and our lights installed. Be on the lookout for another update, hopefully soon, that will be a final update where you will get to see the finished product and then a complete tour of the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and we'll see you later.